At a gathering on the 1st of March 2024, the Shillong All Faith Forum, a coalition representing diverse religious groups in Shillong, convened to address concerns regarding the rising communal tensions targeting Christians in Meghalaya. President Bishop Pyoli Lingdo emphasized the importance of maintaining communal harmony and urged upon the public to refrain from propagating divisive narratives, particularly during the state's election season. He underscored the forum's commitment to fostering interfaith unity, highlighting its inclusive membership comprising leaders from various religious backgrounds.
This is a meeting of SAF, Shillong All Faith Forum. We're meeting here this evening as an urgent meeting for the very reason that we all are aware of. We all know, the whole state and the whole region are aware of, is that the situation in the country, the situation in Northeast India, and particularly the situation in Assam and in Meghalaya has come to the stage where we faith leaders need to stand up and speak out and call upon our people to be aware, to be alert of the situation. SAF, as you all know, was formed in 2020, not only for normal times where we meet together for certain matters. SAF has come in use, especially in times like this, when we need the community to understand, to be aware, to be alert of the situations that we are in. Northeast India used to be a peaceful region so far, in spite of the fact that hundreds of different tribes, different communities, different languages and customs and practices exist in Northeast India. But of late, we all know what is happening in Manipur and what is happening in Assam now. And sadly and very alarmingly, we see the signs that even Meghalaya is being touched now in the borders area. So as South, members of different faiths are in South. We have the Hindus, we have Muslims, we have the Sikhs, we have the Buddhists, we have Senraj, we have Senkasi, almost all the faith communities in Shillong, in Meghalaya, are in South. So as a forum, this is what we want to convey to all our people in the state of Meghalaya, and even to Assam, If it is possible for all of us, different faith communities, to come together as SAF. SAF is a testimony. SAF is an example of how we can come together with understanding, with love, with tolerance. We are together. We speak with one voice. It should be possible even in other states and other places. So this is our message to our people in the state and to our neighboring states as well. Elections are coming, and there are fringe elements who would like to take advantage of the situation, and they want to provoke different communities. We want to appeal, certain appeals we want to make to our state as well as to other states. Number one, we appeal to the government of Meghalaya and to the government of Assam. They should continue to talk, find out the truth, and not just talk, take steps. Take steps to prevent any untoward incident. We appeal to political parties because these are all connected to politics, to the elections coming. We appeal to all political parties. Kindly be mindful of what you speak and how you speak and what you do. not to create divisions and hatred among the people. And we appeal to all citizens of Meghalaya and Assam to be alert, to be mindful, to be careful of these elements that try to bring about, to create disturbances, misunderstandings, divisions among people for political mileage. These can be connected to politics. So to our own people in Meghalaya, we appeal that be careful of what you hear, of the news, of the messages you receive from here and there. Many may be false, may be fake news. So we should not succumb to this kind of news.